Ketenat election jong jala Meghalaya kalapan sengau baka syania ha ketenat Pulit bat kibor sentiat kenang baka election Lok Sabha na kebenta ke Artligi constituency hapo ke jala ke Shillong parliamentary constituency bat Hura parliamentary constituency kan yat ben klam kinu ki jingsha penthut. Kani kejing pentep kalawan lengbau Chief Electoral Officer ketenat election gejala UBDR Tiwari kata tang hadian katu kat ni kenta baka Office Election Commission of India kalapan benai katarik penong election kabaki Artli ki constituency napo kani gejala kin tap ya ki vote ha ka khat khandai tarik uyayong arja arpusau. Na kejing don jong ki jingja bethai bom hadong ba Shillong ha katayo baladap kabalakam hi da kasengking Atiar ke HNLC bat kejing yok kurop rui ki tiar pen bethai bat ru ban kem ki dekhot jong te kaseng ha ba grand sikilat pathai kubor UBDR Tiwari uloong ba ke election kan long ke job ya kani kaman la e ha ketenat Pulit ketenat kampo yeng bat kumjo an wanra ikibor Pahara na sabar.
The elections of the Lok Sabha in respect to Meghalaya state is concerned, it will be in the first phase as per the schedule given here. So, Meghalaya has 2 parliamentary constituencies and the date of the issue of notification is 20th March 2024. Last date for filing nominations will be 27th March 2024 on Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 28th March 2024 and last date of withdrawal of candidature is 30th March 2024. Polling will held on the 19th April 2024 and votes will be counted on the single day across the country, and that will be on the 4th June 2024. And as per fact related to elections in Meghalaya is concerned, we have 2 parliamentary constituency, Shillong ST and Hura ST. Shillong comprises 36 assembly segment and Hura comprises 24 assembly segment and across the 12 districts altogether.
Last Saturday there was a blast in Shillong and after that explosives were recovered in Kyrwoh. So what election department is doing so that this kind of violence should not happen during the polls?
All the necessary remedial measures are already being taken up by the police department and our team of the home department, police department, along with there will be the deployment of the central forces also. So we are ensuring all the needful measures for the peaceful elections. And team is very much active to do all the needful action in time. The adequate number of the central forces are going to be placed in the Meghalaya, so it will cater the need of the
Hakabe day bat kiwei kimat la kalong na du ka jingpej benya boyok ka don ka jingpen kenya ya ka kendon penyat election utiwari uloong halor kane kindon ki committee baper ki balong kat kum ka jing batha jong ke Election Commission of India kenthop ya kiwei kimat ki be day bat ke election.
We are already taken our the EMCC implementation teams will be there and any such thing the media monitoring or anything will come. We have the all mechanism as per the ECI's instruction to take care and to ensure needful action in those regards. Yes, since Election Commission of India has taken all the necessary measures and instruction to all the central implementing agency and state agencies also accordingly to man the international border through the BSF or other paramilitary forces wherever they are, and accordingly the BSF and other paramilitary forces are also doing all the needful remedial measures in the to comply with the ECI. We already have a discussion with the all central agencies including BSF for needful compliance and to look after the border and other issues.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya